Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your Android is updated, then pick a reputable VPN provider and install its official Play Store app. Once installed, open the app and allow required permissions. These let the VPN create a secure connection. If the app asks for a device admin or VPN permission, accept it so your phone can route traffic securely. Now you're ready for configuration. Move on to choosing servers and once done installing, configure the connection in the app. You choose a protocol, WireGuard for performance or OpenVPN for broad compatibility, and then pick a server region to balance speed and access. Make sure to enable the kill switch to prevent accidental leaks and set AutoConnect for untrusted networks. If you want only certain apps tunneled, use split tunneling. Take a moment to test by connecting and checking your IP. If it changes, the tunnel is active and routing your traffic through the VPN. To finish, confirm the VPN is functioning correctly by checking your visible IP and running a DNS leak test. These steps verify that traffic is routed securely. If the VPN won't connect, try toggling airplane mode, restarting your device, or switching protocols and servers. These often resolve routing or port blocking issues. Make sure to capture error messages or app logs before contacting support so they can diagnose faster. If persistent problems remain, the provider's support can guide you through advanced settings or network-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.